Hello everyone. So I just would like to remind all the applicants to consider this one as part of your preparation as you will start your initial interview, your NTT, your CE demo, and all the process na dapat nyong i-undergo. Kasi commonly itong nangyayari sa mga applicants na they are already inside the Zoom meeting or in the MS Teams, tsaka nagkakaproblema yung kanilang headset, kanilang laptop, yung signal, yung camera. So before entering the Zoom meeting, before you will have the initial interview, make sure that you check all the technicalities before the big day. Syempre, kinakabahan masyado tayo, nagpapanik na ninervyusin na talaga tayo. Tapos dyan rin parang nangyayari yung mga technical problems, hindi nagfa-function yung camera, yung headset, biglang mawawala ang signal. So, talaga na i-check natin yung setup ng ating laptop, na-set ba natin sa ating bagong headset or sa camera, kung gumagamit kayo ng external na camera. I-check nyo po lahat para walang maging problem. Kasi sa initial interview, if hindi kayo marinig or hindi kayo makita, syempre, the interviewer will kick you out. The same is true also during the NTT and the CA demo. So, ayaw natin yun na mangyari sa atin, right? So, always take into consideration the preparation of our equipments. That would be all, and good luck to all the process that you will undergo. Thank you and God bless.